Ebusuafo me mo bibia kwa ba deba GCN page so meeting ede adwoa searching. Oman peninda that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say obeye president bill. Na nka na ye nim say wabeye president a we 24 years a ya to abetia de na nka yes o sanso be bill. Oman peninda that se chenchina ono de obeba. No mercy for the cripple. Ono be built in no man's land. Nti on ba na oba na de ba na oba Ghana for ye ka hwekura wontie nti obeba wakopeke ne forms enemu to anyampia eye campaign ene nsema wampenda da John Dramani Mahama ye kande ba akokɔ ne ba sekim on soli bio nya akokɔ ne bempo nipa kro obewu na kanto akokɔ ne ba nsema oka na kese ni ne se nani avro pese obeye president bio na wampenda da John Dramani Mahama ekoto wako sunyane wako central region na odu central region no elimina ene convoy anana omampenda da John Dramani Mahama ena ne campaign team omode to aso ekono more than 100 do na elimina for say na ya wampenda da John Dramani Mahama no mo opposition no ena mo ato ayampia se omani mo aye de na MPP for disca na den na case nkwa ode ba campaign ni na no be president da be den o elimina for omu and this for omu man pende da John Dramani Mahama omu echese nya do beto aba na man nda atwa no china because offend say commander sugar factory no arrange this is wo openi bia mfi we NDC fumu na mu disca no MPP fu ba akwa de ka be ka say ya because ye hu say sugar about fishing harbor omu pende da John Dramani Mahama promise omu anye His Excellency na dan kwa kufu ado ba wabeye ti ye ka obi a Central Region ombeto abede amana na nka NPP NPP nya de ndis wo beto amamo enti mu akasa mu cars na esanso tenten na mo de koye campaign no we ye ne hwehe ene elimina fo ehuro ne pa na do fo ye hwe video ne kakra
opposition cars
Yes, it's good to have one video now. Obviously, opposition pony. When I'm young for that, take creative space now. Anka wunya kwine. Me say, me pe any minister obe ka kire me say ni sika wo de ya adwuma na free no ane bottom na free finance ministry. Yes, any me pe any minister, any sector. Wo dia wo so wo sector no, enya finance minister na copes come out na wo de project. Pe ja wo sa ne hwe. Won so wani mo egu asinti wuntumi ma won sa so. Eye beye ne de ma mota free. Mutie, eye beye ena moma NDC for dada mo anka mudi ko jimi. Because na omutu na papa no o make you party no unpopular o make you party no unpopular o make you party ena mo so jimi sem mo perokwa interest na mo MPC a mo pay didn't mo pia na de ne share ebo ase. And me Ken, like I said, posterity would be the person that will vindicate you. Sika papa we releasing every year. Right now we are talking about education minister and all so say finance minister releasing 2.9 billion for education man on free education. Mokai say Mahama say no over 2 billion crop free education. Say Mokai. But papa we dia wa just said 2 billion no e de boa Ghana ma. One dia wo mo papa ni wo mo maame no mu ni bi. One year woman papa ni woman maame no mu enibi enyankama emema kwasi ampafo bi a anhwe ye ma ementi emema tutubotomfo agimifo bi a ye ne ma wo ne yanhwe o mu nti no enne mo hwe de ekoso but papa yi hwe wo ba school wa ma na aduane wa ma ne textbooks ama na atade ama ne mpaboa na wabeka kire me se sa gari olonka mienu sardine miensa sitono kurawa na aye ni fie ana so obekọ ohema we je ono akwaje kai se bekese ne baako ene abonkurua kese beka se NPP ni wonya na wo de ade ya be wona kuno kese jimie na. I want you people to look at this. Honorable TK.
Because the road has security implications, I am pleading that we will take the Highways Authority to court.
No. Did you listen? Just say, oh my God. Yes, yet the social media near calling in tin. Cause akwasiampa for boys bia ye nim how a system work. Because a Jimmy Fobi to say fear vim lady poku anomoa, one they just want to be noticed. Kasa kwasia kasa kankura se kasa the aye kan ye ntiase. Sometimes I wonder what kind of education background that girl has because so school papa dia na nye school na mo ano. Jim lady, look at this video. I want you to play this video on your page.
I am pleading that we will take the Highways Authority to court.
This is what is happening in Parliament. This is Cynthia. Just say, Kwabna don't cut down in any. Na ohun say eye KT ham on hesa say tihiru pa de che say ewurade nyankopɔ me nua yi che say me ya de eye serious kra no hwede a wo ye me wa ha na sabio yani a yakasa enko parliament me ka ho yani a yakasa enko ba bia no ne ya nim say ne NDC fo no na edoso. Ya sorry na NDC for frame a look London na nim sa ben watwen kwan wo ba fon sa sa mempabo ase ne ya betene social media and Akufado your head and Akufado you are this and about me you are foolish and kwasiafo anyansa ni mo ma me mutirim ya nja mu nyansa wan fa nyansa wo mo. This is Parliament. I had another video I was going to show of your champion commando Sam George begging Chairman Sabonsu, and don't worry, me the beba. Begging Chairman Sabonsu say, or the Bibia Bentino, Chairman Sabonsu yade, and push the agenda no on the side of Homano. Let me get to the reason why I came. Ukuja block at the on train. I'll talk to him later. And you know, video ya me boy, me confirm wo baby, or see a friend fix Ghana. Na a vim lady a fear poku a video. Now me see a video no first 2 minutes na me who said that girl is the most shallowest. Not Jenny sa. I'm sorry. If you're a fan of a fear poku, I'm telling you not Jenny sa. Now you're very, very ungrateful. Ebra na MPP need dino.